Welcome to SF Coins channel. Today, we're going to explore some of the most valuable and sought-after coins in the market, specifically the rare 1-cent euro coins, including some like the famous ball game issues that have become major highlights in the coin collecting world. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow coin lovers. It helps support the channel and keeps the content coming. Let's get started. First up, number 1. The 2018 Belgian 1-cent euro coin might appear like nothing more than a common piece of pocket change, but beneath its humble copper-plated steel surface lies the potential for immense fortune. To most people, it is simply another low-denomination coin, easily dismissed, passed through hands unnoticed, and dropped into jars without a second thought. But to those who understand the rare world of numismatics, where value is shaped not just by currency but by history, rarity, and error, this coin might just be a golden needle in a haystack. Imagine waking up to discover that a small disc of copper in your possession is actually worth millions. It sounds like a dream, but for a coin like this, it could become your reality. The value of this coin doesn't stem from its denomination or its mint year alone. It is what could have happened during its creation that unlocks its true worth. Minting errors are the unicorns of coin collecting. Rare, mysterious, and capable of turning something ordinary into something priceless. Coins that bear double strikes, off-center prints, or missing inscriptions are known to attract serious attention and money in international markets. For the 2018 Belgian 1-cent coin, any of these anomalies could elevate into a class of collectibles that people would fight over in elite auctions. It's not just about owning the coin, it's about owning a one-of-a-kind mistake that the mint never meant to release. Belgium, being one of the early adopters and consistent issuers of the euro, is known for its tight minting standards. That's what makes any error that does slip through all the more valuable. A 2018 Belgian 1 cent with any irregularity, an unusual weight, a misaligned edge, a blank reverse, can become a numismatic treasure, even without visible errors. If a rare die or metal composition was used by accident, that alone can skyrocket its value. It's the rarity, the story, and the anomaly combined that collectors crave. And if your coin fits even one of these possibilities, you may be holding more than metal. You could be holding millions in hidden wealth. The emotional pull of discovering such a coin is undeniable. Imagine one day rummaging through a handful of change only to realize that you're staring at a version of the 2018 1-cent coin that looks just a little different. The font might be off. The mint mark slightly shifted. The edge may feel odd to the touch. That gut feeling that something isn't quite normal could be the very spark that changes your life. From that moment forward, your coin is no longer just a coin. It becomes a mystery to solve, a treasure to validate, and possibly the most important possession you've ever held in your hand. This coin also captures a unique period in European history. The year 2018 was marked by economic shifts, political debates across the EU, and social changes rippling through its member states. A coin minted during such a time becomes more than a monetary instrument. It becomes a timestamp, a witness to change. The Belgian design, with its national symbolism and Euro-wide standardization, reflects a continent in unity and transformation. When you possess something that ties you directly to such a narrative, the value becomes not just financial, but emotional, cultural, and historical. Across the globe, collectors are constantly hunting for hidden gems. Coins like this one that slipped through cracks were minted under special circumstances, or feature unique characteristics that no one else noticed. What they're willing to pay can be staggering. There have been instances where small, low-denomination coins, like a cent or a dime, sold for over $1 million due to their rarity. In that world, the 2018 Belgian 1 cent isn't just a copper coin. It's a candidate for a legacy item, and you, perhaps unknowingly, may already possess it. But with great possibility comes great responsibility. If you do believe your 1-cent coin might be something extraordinary, you must protect it. Avoid cleaning or altering it. Keep it in a safe, dry place. Seek out a trusted numismatist or a professional appraiser with experience in rare European coins. The wrong move, even a scratch, can reduce its value. The right move, on the other hand, could reveal the hidden worth and thrust you into a world of wealth and recognition beyond your wildest dreams. Think of it, 1 cent leading to $1 million or more. A coin minted quietly in Belgium, meant to be just another among millions, possibly ending up as a legendary collector's item. You wouldn't just be wealthy, you'd be part of coin collecting history. Your story will be told for years, your coin photographed, cataloged, and admired by collectors and historians alike. It wouldn't just be a financial windfall, it would be your mark on the world of numismatics. So, treasure the ordinary. Examine every coin. Ask questions, explore details, and never dismiss what seems small. Because sometimes, fate hides its greatest gifts in the tiniest forms. The 2018 Belgian 1 cent euro coin could be that secret gem waiting to be discovered. And the moment you realize its true worth could be the moment everything in your life changes. Keep your eyes open. Your fortune may already be in your hands. The 2010 Belgian 1 cent euro coin may seem like a simple, everyday piece of copper to most, but for those who truly understand the hidden magic in numismatics, this tiny disc holds the potential to rewrite the story of someone's life forever. Often overlooked and dropped without a second thought into the depths of a wallet or the corner jar, it quietly carries a secret that could make its owner unimaginably wealthy. Beneath its plain face lies a sleeping giant of value, an artifact that, under the right conditions, could be worth not just thousands, not just millions, but enough to elevate someone from ordinary citizen to overnight billionaire. This is not a dream. This is the undiscovered power of the coin you might already hold. The extraordinary value of the 2010 Belgian 1 cent coin doesn't lie in its nominal worth. It's in the rare possibilities born at the Royal Mint during its production. Every so often, a minting error escapes unnoticed. It could be a slight misalignment, a missing detail, or a metallic anomaly that sets the coin apart from the billions of others. These errors are invisible to most, but to seasoned collectors, they glow like gold. A single misplaced feature or a rogue die strike could catapult this 1 cent coin to legendary status in a collector's world. The idea that a copper coin could fetch $1 million bid is no fantasy. It's happened before, and it can happen again. What makes this even more fascinating is Belgium's rich minting history. As one of the founding countries of the Eurozone, Belgium's mint operates with precision, tradition, and pride. That's why any deviation from the standard, intentional or accidental, is such a rare and thrilling discovery. A 2010 coin with even the faintest variation could be a hidden treasure among common change. Whether it's a die crack, a rotated reverse, or misprinted edge inscription, these little mistakes are actually the golden tickets that transform coins into miracles of value. If you possess one of these, you're not just holding currency, you're holding lightning in your hands. The market for rare coins is fueled by more than just collectors. Museums, historians, investment speculators, and even royal families have all taken part in acquiring significant pieces of numismatic art. If your 2010 Belgian 1 cent coin has a rare error or limited mintage feature, it could become the centerpiece of an intense global bidding war. Imagine receiving offers from across continents, each number higher than the last, until your once-forgotten coin is valued at a level you never dared imagine. This isn't fiction. It's a possibility that has already played out many times in the coin world. Imagine the moment you discover that the coin in your pocket has unmatched value. Your heart races, your breath catches. You're holding the very key that could unlock generational wealth. It doesn't acquire a winning lottery ticket or a billionaire inheritance. It's already in your hand, sealed in copper, waiting for someone to see it for what it truly is. Stories like this have happened before. Coins found in old boxes or handed down from grandparents turned out to be priceless. If your 2010 Belgian 1 cent matches the rarest variants, your story might be the next headline in the world of extraordinary discoveries. This coin is more than a financial opportunity. It's a portal to history, minted in a year marked by global shifts and national change. It represents a moment captured forever in metal. The face of the coin reflects both tradition and modernity, the balance of Europe's past and future. And if your specific coin happens to bear even a subtle difference, perhaps a rare mint mark, an off-metal strike, or an unrecorded die, it suddenly carries not only the weight of currency but the gravity of heritage. Owning such a coin means owning a chapter of European history. But be warned, Such power comes with responsibility. Never rush to sell such a coin for a quick profit. Don't clean it. Don't mishandle it. Keep it safe, and have it examined by a trusted professional in numismatics. A certified appraiser can provide grading, authentication, and documentation that protects your asset and prepares it for the elite market. The worst mistake you could make is to dismiss this coin's potential. The smartest move? Learn everything about it, preserve its condition, and position it wisely in the global collector arena. For a coin like the 2010 Belgian 1 cent, value is not just in the eyes of a collector. It's in the magic of rarity, the spark of possibility, and the story that surrounds it. If your coin fits the profile, you're no longer just someone with a piece of spare change. You're the gatekeeper of fortune, the holder of a hidden gem, and possibly the next name whispered in numismatic legend. You wouldn't just sell a painting by Van Gogh in a garage sale. Don't treat this coin as anything less than a masterpiece in metal. So take a second look at that copper-colored coin. Examine its details. Study its markings. Because in a world full of noise and distractions, real treasures are often quiet. And maybe, just maybe, you're holding one of the rarest and most valuable coins in the world. A 2010 Belgian 1 cent coin that doesn't just pay for your coffee, but pays for your mansion, your legacy, and a future you never thought possible. The 2004 Belgian 1 cent euro coin may appear to be just another piece of copper alloy in your pocket, but beneath its modest appearance lies potential for a world-shaking revelation. This small, everyday coin could be the gateway to unimaginable wealth, the kind that defies logic and turns ordinary lives into legends overnight. It's not about how much it's worth on paper. It's about what secrets it might carry. One subtle error, one unique characteristic, one missed detail at the mint could turn this coin from loose change into a life-altering treasure. And for those lucky enough to possess such a specimen, the journey from obscurity to billionaire status could begin with a simple glance. What makes the 2004 Belgian 1 cent coin so fascinating is the sheer mystery that surrounds it. Belgium, with its intricate minting history and precise coin production standards, rarely allows flaws to escape into the wild. But when they do, those rare anomalies become the holy grail of coin collecting. A coin like this, struck with a unique minting error, or bearing a flaw that escaped even the sharpest eyes of the Royal Mint, could fetch sums that make the price of gold look modest. And what's more thrilling than the idea that one of these mythical coins might be hiding right now at the bottom of someone's change jar? It's not just about error coins, either. The 2004 Belgian 1 cent coin comes from a time of European economic transformation, a period when new minting processes were still settling, and transitions between designs and dyes were underway. This was a time when the smallest shifts in production could result in coins that were subtly but significantly different from the norm. Collectors around the world hunt for these differences, be it the size of the font, the positioning of the year, or a die rotation imperceptible to most. These small quirks aren't mistakes. They're golden opportunities, hiding in plain sight. Imagine a world-renowned numismatist laying eyes on your coin. They're breath-catching as they realize a diversion never before documented, a once-in-a-generation anomaly. The news spreads like wildfire across the collector's world. Bidders from Europe, Asia, and North America clamor for the chance to own a piece of numismatic history. What began as a coin worth 1 cent suddenly surges to values in the millions. Auctions erupt into bidding wars. Headlines scream of $1 million copper miracle, and all because you recognize what most others overlooked. The true power of this coin doesn't just lie in its financial value. It lies in the story it tells, the journey it's taken, and the mystery it holds. A 2004 1 cent coin from Belgium, bearing the face of King Albert II, becomes more than just a monetary object. It becomes a cultural artifact, a historical fingerprint. The person lucky enough to find a rare specimen of this coin becomes not just a collector, but a custodian of a small yet mighty piece of European identity. And with that role comes admiration, legacy, and the kind of wealth that builds empires. One of the greatest tragedies in the coin world is the countless rare coins that have been spent unknowingly, traded for gum or coffee without a second glance. That's why this message is so urgent. If you own a 2004 Belgian 1 cent coin, examine it with care. Protect it. Preserve it. Seek a professional evaluation before it's too late. What seems like just another coin could, in fact, be your golden ticket. The line between spare change and priceless artifact is thinner than most realize, and those who cross it do so forever changed. In the coin collecting world, it's not always the largest or flashiest coins that fetch the highest value. Sometimes it's the humble ones, the ones you least expect, that carry the rarest secrets. The 2004 Belgian 1 cent is a perfect example. Light, small, and easy to dismiss, it hides its greatness well. But within the right coin, everything changes. That single cent could launch a financial revolution for its owner, vaulting him into a world of luxury, influence, and untold riches. 1 cent may be all it takes to rewrite your future. Wealth, for many, is something to be chased through hard work or investment. But for those who understand the true value of rare currency, wealth sometimes finds you. It finds you in the quiet moment you discover that your forgotten coin is unlike any other. It finds you in the bidding wars that follow, in the expert who tells you that your coin is one of a kind. It finds you in the astonishment of the world, realizing that this everyday object has become something legendary. That's the reality behind a rare 2004 Belgian 1 cent coin. So before you spend that coin, stop and look. Could it be slightly off-center? Is the king's profile oddly struck? Does the edge have a variation? If there's even a shadow of a chance that your coin is different, you owe it to yourself to find out. Because while others are walking past fortunes, you might just be holding yours in your palm. And in a world that rarely gives second chances, this single copper coin might be the opportunity that makes you a billionaire by morning.